Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro. And to do this, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device. First one being right here, and that's a main speaker on this device. Next one is on the top, and that's a phone call speaker, and right here is also the speaker. Now, to test if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music. Cover each of them with our fingers. If the sound is coming from two sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. Sorry. Oh, those ads, okay. So clearly sound is coming from all of the speakers, and we can confirm that this device does have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.